Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your HP laptop is ready to require credentials. First, verify you use Windows 10 or 11 and that your account has a password or PIN. Without one, locking is ineffective. Next, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options, add a password, set a PIN, or register Windows Hello fingerprint so you can lock and unlock quickly. Once done, make sure the method works by signing out and back in. This establishes the credential you'll use for screen locking. Now configure how and when the laptop locks so it matches your workflow. In Sign-in Options, set Require Sign-in to when the PC wakes. This forces credentials after sleep. Then open Personalization, Lock Screen, and adjust screen timeout and sleep timers so the display locks faster than the device sleeps. Consider enabling Dynamic Lock to automatically lock when your phone disconnects, or require sign-in after sleep for stricter protection. These steps control the how and why, preventing unauthorized access while keeping convenience. Finish by testing and learning how to lock quickly. Use Windows key plus L to lock immediately. Close the lid to confirm the laptop locks on sleep. Make sure power options match your expectations for lid close and sleep settings. If you want, create a desktop shortcut to lock the screen for faster access. If something goes wrong, say Win plus L does nothing, update display and chipset drivers, disable fast startup, and confirm your account still requires a password. These fixes solve most lock-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.